Buenos dias. You know, a lot of people go out into nature when they got a problem. And they come out to nature to get relaxed, see if they can find a solution to the problem. But when they come out here, all they do is focus on their problem, and then they never really see the nature around you. So it's really a matter of stopping the internal dialogue. Or you could change the internal dialogue, and that'll change your view of the world, altering the problem. But stopping the internal dialogue is really how you get to the gift of power that the problem, which is really just a challenge, is constituting. I hope that makes sense to everybody. If we focus on miracles or magic happening, or what's our intent? That's where the miracles happen. My intent is that miracles happen. Guess what's going to happen? Miracle. My intent, if I'm just focusing on the problem, then my intent activates the problem. And then all you're going to see in your world is the problem. So, take that with a grain of salt today. Get up off that thing and go for a walk, and you'll feel better. And if you're taking a problem with you to try to find a solution, quit focusing on the problem. Stop the internal dialogue by noticing all the nature around you. And see what happens. See if you can shift your worldview. Because right now, there's really no problem. We're just going for a walk.
Be here now.
If you're in the present, you get present to what's present, you'll see that there's really no problem sitting here. It's just going around in my head. So, if you really want to feel better, start dancing. Hi, Mr. Tree. See, the tree says so. Look at all the pretty trees around here. The cedars and the junipers. I like the cedars. Look at that beautiful cedar tree. The Scooch is running through the jungle. She's hunting today. She's very on top of things. She's a little goat. She can climb anything. Listen to the birds sing. Listen to the distant noises. Maybe your problem will just disappear if you get it out of your mind. Scooch, what are you doing? Are you the king of the jungle? Queen of the jungle. They must have found something in a log. There she goes. She gets around. So does this one. He's searching all the trees because there's lizards. Are there lizards? Where's the lizards? They're hilarious. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment and tell me what you think about stopping the internal dialogue. Love you. Peace out.